Our focus here at Onulus is to solve critical gaps in additive manufacturing workflow. One of those gaps exists in the area of resin 3D printing.
Our Onulus wrap product is an environmentally friendly way to deal with excess resin. A user can put their excess resin in and automatically transform it into a solid material. Once it's solidified, that plastic can be disposed of, or you can use it as a low-cost media for prototype machining.
Here at Purple Platypus, we're a diamond-level reseller partner with Stratasys. Onulus originally approached us with a project that had some unique requirements. On site, we have all Stratasys technology offerings, including design services, scanning services, and because of all these capabilities, Onulus knew that we would be the right fit to help them go to market with their new product.
When we approached Purple Platypus about prototyping, we wanted to select a material that could withstand our harsh environment. But we also needed a material and a technology that we could move from production to prototyping with, because we didn't want to requalify parts or have the high cost of fabrication, and we wanted to eliminate injection mold tooling.
They had chemical resistance requirements, they had some parts with very fine feature detail, and they also needed to move to market quickly. So that meant prototyping and manufacturing on the same machine with the same material. The H350 by Stratasys was really the only solution for Onulus. The SAF technology prints with PA11, and Onulus really liked the fact that that was a sustainable material derived from natural materials. Its chemical resistance, fine feature detail, and overall durability meant that they could produce parts that were going to last and function exactly as they needed.
This is a great example of a part that was 3D printed on the H350 that really couldn't be manufactured in any other way. It couldn't be injection molded, it couldn't be machined, and the nylon PA11 material is unique because it allows this part to flex.
The H350 utilizes SAF technology. SAF is a powder bed technology that doesn't require the use of any support material or support structures during printing. Because no supports are required, design is limitless.
We have 46 3D printed parts from the Stratasys H350 on our product. That's 46 injection mold tools that we didn't have to invest in, and that saved us a lot of money. Another value that we got from the H350 is that we were able to print production parts on the same machine that we were prototyping on. So we could print our end products at the same time we were developing our next release.
By using the H350 at Purple Platypus, we had complete control over prototyping, production, and delivery. This enabled us to beat our Q2 manufacturing plan and actually deliver machines globally. In working with Stratasys and Purple Platypus, this is a key component to our strategy and growth plan moving forward.